Well, you know, to tax is to destroy. And we have the first or the second highest corporate tax rate on earth. And corporations, businesses, entrepreneurs, they create jobs. That creates economic growth. That creates economic opportunity and development. But yet our tax system punishes job creators. We've got it backwards. We should take that corporate tax rate and drive it down as far as we can. And you will see economic growth and development skyrocket. Throughout periods of our history, we have driven down corporate and individual tax rates, and we have witnessed terrific, significant economic expansions. That is what we have to do, once again, here in America. We have to reward work, reward risking capital, and stop taking money, stop taking away the fruits of a man's labor, whether it's an individual or a corporation, and provide the incentives for individuals, for business owners, to keep the fruits of their own labor so they can reinvest in their businesses, become more productive, become more efficient, expand their businesses. I know this is a novel concept for Senator Casey and for President Obama. They've never owned a business. They've never run a business. All they've done is shut business down here in America. And that's why we have to free America from Barack Obama and free Pennsylvania from Robert Casey.
Thank you, Mr. Springsteen.